Hi everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log in to Free Fire with your Facebook account. Free Fire lets you log in with different login options whenever you first open up the app. You can sign in with Facebook as a guest or using one of these login methods. In order to sign into Free Fire with Facebook, first of all, make sure that you have a Facebook account. You can log into Facebook on the same device so that it will be easier for you to sign in with the Facebook option. From the home page, after opening up Free Fire, look for a Sign in with Facebook button at the very top and tap on it. Now, if you're not already signed in with your Facebook account on the same device, you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook account's credentials. But if you're already logged in to your Facebook account on the same device, you'll be logged in immediately. After signing in, tap on the Tap to Begin button at the bottom and then you'll be able to start the game right away. So that is how you can easily log into Free Fire with Facebook. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.